This is a tour inside a 1982 Bluebird motor coach. The entranceway up onto the floors, quick shot around to the galley. Everything has been refaced in light Formica. All the tops on the counters are granite, black granite. It's called Arabian Nights. I'm going to close the doors so you can get a better view without the light coming through the door. All the lights now, the small lights, are on in the coach. I'm not turning on the big lights because it's not necessary. These are granite tops, and again, I had everything removed so that these are all brand new. All the facings are brand new. I did all of this for my wife. She picked all the colors. There are cushions being made now for the settee. Down here as you walk in, again granite. And there are the steps coming in the door. This is a granite top over here. All the walls are spotless. They were all washed, cleaned. I purchased this sometime back from a non-smoker. Everything is as you see it. I have the center AC working now. It's very quiet and very cold. I turned it on about 10 minutes ago. Going down the hallway, there are the beds. This is the settee area with visibility outside. All the floors that's mentioned are all solid woods. And if you see spots, those are the burnishes from the planks themselves when they were installed. When they were installed, all trim work was done in aluminum. This is a Dometic RM 2807, and it is a designer series. Let me open it. Hook is inside, and as you can see, it's spotless. Down below, the lower part of the refrigerator again is like new and is spotless. Going back to the bedrooms, or the bedroom, again the lights are on. The curtains were new, custom made. It's a split bed system, which is very handy if you need to get out of the bed at night so you don't bother your significant other. The bathroom was a $16,000 add-on by Bluebird, and it's very nicely large. You can come in and take a bath. It's actually very, very large. As per all the Bluebirds I've seen this model in year, they were not made to this comfortability. Closet space, if I close the door, you can see that it is very large and in excellent shape. There's nothing here that is damaged, scratched. There is, however, one thing that I'm not happy about are these doors, but they have little burnish marks on them. They're a leatherette, so they, I think, can be washed. And then again, the toilet is in excellent shape. And the toilet was removed for the new tile floors. So there is the toilet. And the tile floors back behind it are in excellent shape because the toilet was removed. And the tile floors are up under. Let's do something. Let's go start the coach. The coach is guaranteed right now to be absolutely cold, not started, so that you can get an idea of how it works. These are the walls, bookshelves. TV can be put on that wall. As we go forward, again, you can see the condition of everything. It is like new. Sinks are like new. The faucet is new. Not that it's new, but that's the way it's been maintained all its life. Up here, we'll walk quickly. I don't want to make this video too long. These are the condition of the seats. You can see they are in superb condition. Any cracks you see are not cracks, they're just leather crinkling. You can see that. Even the tops of these are like new. Going here, this is the same thing. The driver's side seat is absolutely perfect. Again, let's look at this arm. Perfect. Bring it up. Let's go over and look at the dashboard quickly. Dashboard's in excellent shape. Everything is as it should be. Here's the ignition key in the ignition. I'm going to turn it on to show you temperature. Hold on. So you can see the engine water temperature. There it is. Let's turn the key. It's absolutely ice cold. Let's start the engine. Ready? Watch me turn the key. That is, let's look at the oil pressure. Engine oil pressure. Fuel tanks are almost full. Air pressure rear, air pressure front will build very quickly. Engine water temperature, ice cold. Rev up the engine a little so you can hear it. The engine was replaced approximately 28,000 miles ago. Now let's start the generator. Walk back. These are the couches. We'll walk back. Here's the coach. Generator is started up on a pedestal here. There are 3 spots the generator can be started. It can be started up here, and in the engine compartment where the generator sits, and up front where the captain sits. Push the start button or the stop button. That'll light the light and show you that the pump is being pressurized. And now let's hit start. The generator is now on. I want you to get an idea of the noise factor. Actually, the air conditioner is noisier than the generator. That's the end of the